Today's recipe is a Bengali style cauliflower curry, also called Phulkopi Aloor Torkari. This tastes really good with paratha or luchi. Let's make this together. Here I have 500 grams of cauliflower and I cut them in medium to small sized florets. We're going to start by pouring boiling hot water over the cauliflower florets so that they're cleaned thoroughly. Once all the florets are submerged, just drain off all the water and keep the florets aside. Next, we'll quickly make some fresh garam masala with 4 cloves, 4 green cardamom pieces and a 1.5 inch piece of cinnamon stick. Grind that into a powder and set it aside. Next, we're going to crush a 1 inch piece of ginger and some green chillies to taste. Here I've taken 2 green chillies. This is probably easier to do in a grinder jar, but the texture that turns out when you do it in a mortar and pestle is better. Next, we're going to set a pot on low heat and add 1 tablespoon of any neutral cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. You can also cook in pure mustard oil if you wish. To this, we are going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, about a 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, a pinch of turmeric powder, not too much. Next, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, and we are also going to add the ginger and green chilli paste. Make sure that the heat is on low the whole time so the masalas don't burn. And as you stir fry the masala, if you think that the heat is too much, sprinkle a little bit water. That will help in slightly lowering the temperature. Stir fry for 15 to 30 seconds and next add in the cauliflower florets. We are also going to add in 300 grams of peeled potatoes cut in 1 inch pieces. And next goes in some salt to taste and also half a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar helps in balancing out the flavors, guys, don't forget that. Quick stir and place the lid on for 5 minutes. We are going to cook this until the cauliflower and the potatoes have completely cooked through. So after 5 minutes, make sure that the curry is not burning. Give it a stir. Check if the potato has boiled. Not really. Place the lid back on for another 2 to 3 minutes and the potatoes should be totally cooked. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for yummy recipes every week. As you can see, the potatoes are perfectly cooked, and at this point we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ghee and the garam masala powder that we set aside. At this point, we are going to turn up the heat and we are going to stir fry the potatoes and the cauliflower till they become nice and golden brown, because that's what makes the curry taste delicious. Next, we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder. We don't want to make the curry too sour, just a little bit. If you prefer written recipes, guys, I also have a blog. Check out the link in the description. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Give that a stir and we are ready to taste for salt and sugar. Tastes perfect. And we are going to finish by garnishing with coriander leaves, and your torkari is ready for some paratha or luchi.